Hi guys, I hope you had a lovely Christmas break. It's Leonard here again from AA Finance Solutions, and today I wanted to discuss on how to use your equity to buy another property. So according to REWA, the property prices in WA will continue to increase by about 10% in 2022. So it has never been a better time to review your property value and access the equity of your property for your future investments, such as shares. You may use that to buy another investment property or even to upgrade your existing owner-occupied house. So how do you access the equity of your property? So first, we need to identify how much your property is worth and the balance of your loan. So you can access the equity up to 90% of the value of the property minus the balance of your mortgage. But I would always recommend to go maximum 80% just to avoid the mortgage insurance. So here's this live example on how we recently helped a client to do a equity release. So John came to us to purchase his first owner-occupied property for $430,000 back in 2017, and he borrowed 80% at $344,000. So by 2021, his mortgage has reduced down to $304,000, and when we recently did his valuation on this house, it has increased by about 5% every year to $520,000. So based on these figures, we can increase his existing mortgage up to the 80% of the new valuation of $520,000, minus his existing balance of the loan of $304,000. We are able to access his equity of about $112,000. So John now can use this $112,000 to invest in shares or to use it as a deposit for his new purchase. He can also use this for renovation for his existing house or debt consolidation. So call us today and see how much equity you can access from your property. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you next time.